Welcome to Health Diagnosis, where we bring you natural ways to heal your body and live a healthier life. Today, we're going to talk about a common thyroid problem that many people struggle with: a goiter. This condition happens when the thyroid gland, which sits right in the front of your neck, becomes enlarged. It can cause swelling, discomfort, and even affect your voice and breathing if it gets too large. But the good news is, there are many natural ways to support thyroid health and reduce goiter symptoms. First, let's understand why goiter happens. One of the most common causes is iodine deficiency. The thyroid gland needs iodine to make hormones that regulate metabolism and energy. When your body doesn't get enough iodine, the thyroid works harder to produce these hormones, and that overwork can cause it to enlarge. Other causes include autoimmune conditions like Hashimoto's disease or Graves' disease, hormonal imbalances, and sometimes even exposure to certain chemicals or goiterogenic foods that block iodine absorption. So, how can you support your thyroid naturally and help shrink a goiter? Let's start with diet. Eating iodine-rich foods is key. Natural sources of iodine include seaweed, kelp, fish, eggs, dairy, and iodized salt. If you prefer plant-based options, you can add spinach, strawberries, and cranberries in moderation. But remember, a balance is important. Too much iodine can also stress the thyroid, so always aim for moderate, consistent intake. Next, let's talk about selenium. This powerful mineral helps the thyroid use iodine more effectively. You can find selenium in Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, mushrooms, and whole grains. Eating just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide enough selenium for your thyroid to function properly. Zinc is another important nutrient for hormone production. You can get it from pumpkin seeds, lentils, and chickpeas. Another helpful step is to reduce foods that may interfere with thyroid function. These are called goitrogens and are found in foods like cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, soy, and millet. Now, that doesn't mean you have to stop eating them completely. Just make sure to cook them, because cooking reduces their goiterogenic effect and makes them safer for your thyroid. Hydration also plays a big role. Drinking enough clean, filtered water helps flush toxins from the body that can disrupt hormone balance. You can even add a few drops of lemon to your water for an extra detoxifying boost. Herbal remedies can also support thyroid health. For example, ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb, helps balance thyroid hormones and reduce stress, which is often a hidden factor in thyroid problems. Bladderwrack, a type of seaweed, is rich in iodine and minerals that nourish the thyroid. However, always consult a healthcare professional before starting herbal supplements, especially if you're already on thyroid medication. Stress management is another powerful natural cure. Chronic stress can trigger thyroid imbalances, so make time for deep breathing, meditation, gentle yoga, or even a simple walk in nature. Getting enough sleep also allows your body to heal and regulate hormones naturally. Don't forget the importance of vitamin D and sunlight. Spending time outdoors helps your body produce vitamin D, which supports your immune system and thyroid health. If you live in an area with limited sunlight, you can include vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified plant milks. Some people also find benefits in using coconut oil because it helps boost metabolism and supports healthy thyroid hormone production. You can add a teaspoon of the virgin coconut oil to your morning smoothie or use it in cooking. Lastly, it's essential to keep a close eye on your thyroid health. Even though natural remedies can make a big difference, regular checkups and thyroid function tests will help track your progress. Healing takes time, but with the right lifestyle changes, patience, and care, your body can restore its balance naturally. Remember, your thyroid is small, but it controls so much of your energy, mood, and metabolism. By nourishing it with proper nutrition, managing stress, and giving your body natural support, you can prevent and even reverse goiter in many cases. Thank you for watching Health Diagnosis. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay balanced, and take care of your thyroid. It truly takes care of you.